Welcome to my channel, Mindful Mentors 12. Education is the foundation of our future, and its landscape is evolving faster than ever. Imagine this: a classroom where artificial intelligence crafts personalized learning experiences, where ever-present cybersecurity safeguards our digital frontiers, and where mind training helps students tackle challenges with fortitude. But are we truly preparing students for the complexities of tomorrow? In today's video, we'll explore the crucial role these three elements, AI, cybersecurity, and mind training, play in revolutionizing education. Let's delve deeper into how AI is reshaping education. With AI, students have access to adaptive learning experiences tailored just for them. It's like having a personal tutor that knows exactly how you learn best. But with great power comes great responsibility. Equally important is mind training. Amidst all the tech, fostering students' mental well-being cannot be overlooked. Mindfulness and reflective practices can enhance focus, reduce stress, and promote a healthier learning atmosphere. These practices can significantly impact students' ability to focus and learn effectively, ensuring that their education equips them for a complex world. To truly grasp the impact of these innovations, let's look at a school that's already harnessing the power of AI, cybersecurity, and mind training. Welcome to Greenfield Academy, a pioneer in 21st century education. Here, technology and well-being harmonize to create a cutting-edge learning environment. Schools like Greenfield are proof that integrating technology with holistic practices is not only possible, but incredibly effective. As we look to the future, it's partnerships like these that shape the direction of education, where innovation meets possibility. Imagine an education system where every student has the tools to thrive, not only academically, but also personally and socially. This is the vision we're striving for, and it starts with the steps we take today. Imagine an education system where every student has the tools to thrive, not only academically, but also personally and socially. This is the vision we're striving for, and it starts with the steps we take today. We invite you to explore these tools, implement these practices, and join us on this transformative educational journey. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's pave the way for an enlightened future, one classroom at a time.